Hey guys, so this is my Nvidia Shield second generation TV remote, and up until a few days ago it suddenly stopped working on me. Now I've had this Nvidia Shield TV for about 2 years now, and I was holding off on buying a new remote because there is news that the third generation Nvidia Shield TV was coming out with a new remote. So, so I was holding off on that. Now, I was fiddling around with this remote, and by the way, as you should, this is attached to a side-click remote for my Samsung TV, and it was a shame because the side click was working and the Nvidia Shield TV wasn't working anymore. So I was fiddling around on it, and I found out that the problem was with the battery connector. And so let me show you how. So if you have a Nvidia Shield TV remote, so you're familiar with changing the batteries, so you just put a pointy object here and release the battery holder. So as you can see there. Now the problem was the batteries weren't connecting to these metal parts over here. So, over the years, I've dropped this remote and this problem developed. So the batteries were jiggling around in there. So the fix is relatively simple. You just need some kind of tool and adjust these metal connectors. So you do it slowly though, because this is a very thin metal over here and you might break it. So I did that. I adjusted this a little bit and over here too, and the batteries weren't loose anymore and it came back to life. And it's fixed for now. So I hope this video helps you, and let me know in the comments. Bye.